Hello, my name is Nixon K. Kiprotich. Admission number TED 2562 20. I'm taking technology education and computer and specialized in automotive technology. I'm here to share my field trip experience that took place on 29th May 2022 to 4th June 2022. We managed to go to Mombasa where we were in a position to engage with some of the industries, which include the Associated Vehicle Assemblies Miritini, the Kenya Ferry Services Kilindini, the Kengen, the Brolo Steelworks Company, and finally the Mombasa Cement. We also had an opportunity to have some recreation in one of the days as it was on holiday. We started with the associated vehicle assemblies on the first day, that is on 30th May 2022, where we got a good reception from the manager, that was Moses, where he gave us the safety rules and a brief history of the farm. The farm was started in 1975 and started its production in 1977. The vehicles produced in the industry are the Toyota, the Hino, Mahindra, and the Ashok Leyland, that is the Tata, the heavy truck. Now, the core activities that are involved in associated vehicle assemblies are the assembling of different designs of vehicles, that is the Scania, which is imported when it is fixed, the cabin is fixed. Now, we have several phases that involve the assembly of the vehicles, that is the actual station where they fix the two axle shafts, the chassis dressing, engine station where the engines are being fixed, the final station that involves the brake testing, the lights, and the indicator, and finally the end line where the vehicle is being checked, is being cross-checked by technicians to ensure the vehicle is in its quality and meets the customer's needs. We finished the associated vehicle assemblies that day one and returned back to have a rest because of the long journey we had in the previous day. In the second day, we got an opportunity to go to Kenya Ferries Services, which is under the Kenya Ports Authority. It was started in 1937 and it had various types of ferries. That is the Nyayo, the Harambe, the Jumbo, and the Safari. For example, the Safari was in a position to carry 65 vehicles and 1,500 passengers per trip. The operation of the ferries involved the use of a C12 engine, that is for production of power transmitted to the propeller to aid the movement of the ferry. Inside the berry, we have several parts that include the propeller, the turbocharger, the cooling system of the berry, and the control section that involves the controlling of the movement. Two, we went to the Kenya Berry Services workshop where we encountered many machines that are used in repair and maintenance of the ferry in the Kenya Ferries Services station. Some of the spare parts are being produced because we were able to see some of the lathe machines which are used in production of the spare parts. The workshop involved the engine testing and repair. We were not able to go inside the ferry to see the operation of the engines because we were told that one of the ferry had some technical problem, and therefore most of the technicians were attending to it. On the third day, we got an opportunity to go to the Kengen, that is the power generating plant, and we got an opportunity to go to Kipevu 1 because we were in group 1, and the group 1 were taken through some safety rules, as the core rule there is no smoking because of the flammable gases and liquids that are inside. The Kipevu 1 was founded in 1954 under the Kenya Company Act of 1954, and it has three stations, that is Kipevu 1, Kipevu 2, and Kipevu 3. The systems that are involved in the power production in Kipevu 1 include the generator section, the fuel supply system, the lubricating system, cooling system, the control system room, the exhaust system, and the air intake. To be brief, I can talk of the control system room because it covers a large area. The control system room has technicians that, in as much as the AutoCAD and the CAD system is concerned, it involves the sending of signals and receiving signals that shows where the problem is and also shows how the operation in the company is running. And we appreciated because we were shown many sections, the cooling system of the plant, where it involved the water treatment right from the seawater to the water that can be used for cooling. Two, we have the exhaust part, that is the exhaust chimneys, which is a very important thing in as much as environmental conservation is concerned. After the Kengen, on the same day, that is day 3, we got an opportunity again to go to the Prolo Steelworks Company, where it started in 1972, and the operation involved the production of manufacturing equipment such as sheets and pipes. There were several machines in the company where we had the boiling machine, the phasing machine, the bending machine, lathe machine, slotting machine, the shearing machine, and the jets, which was used for indexing. I think the Brolo industry had compacting machines, which is used to compact the materials that are wasted, that were to be wasted, and they are sold as scraps. It is a mass production of steel, that is pipes used in drilling boreholes, pipes used in construction of story buildings, and in as much as the cut system is concerned, there is a jet machine which is used for indexing, and the quality of the products is high because they want to meet the market and the customers' needs. On the fourth day and the final day, we got a chance to visit Mombasa Cement, which we got a very good experience there because, in the first place, we were given the brief history of the company, where it was founded in 2007 with the aim of manufacturing the construction materials. The raw materials used in Mombasa Cement are the limestone, the shale, and the gypsum. Also, there is the manufacture of clinker as a raw material in production of cement. In the manufacturing process, it involves six main phases. That is the extraction phase, two, the grinding phase, and the proportioning and blending. Three, there is a preheating of the raw material after being blended. The kiln phase, that is application of high temperatures, the cooling, and the final grind, packing and shipping. That is the final process before production of the cement. We had three mills. The first milling, the mill one produces 35 tons per hour, and mill two produces 15 tons per hour. The safety in the company was good, and the experience there was the best. Finally, I want to thank the Moi University fraternity, the Technology Education Department, my lecturers, the Technology Trip Coordinator, Dr. Olok Gwendo, my fellow friends and fellow technologists who supported me throughout the field trip. The field trip was successful, and I can say the experience was best. Thank you very much for the organization of the trip.